Hello, my crafty friends. Today I want to show you a little golden book of birds that I turned into a junk journal. And it's really packed full of birds. It's about an inch thick, a little bit more, and it's coil binded. It's one of those old ones. It doesn't have a code bar. It's really, I think the year is, let me see. The year is 1980, so we're talking 44 years ago. That's really cool. So, this book, I've got little corners here in metal, and I'll show you what I did. First, a little card here. The card is dated 1944, and I put it here in this little pocket that I made. The full book is inside, 12 pages of the book. And there's like 48 added extra pages. And if you put them on both sides, it's like 96 pages. So I have added lots. There's something on every page. You know, there's either a bird, a card, even if it's just a little tab. But there's really something on every page. So it's really a bird theme and a little charm here. I really enjoy working with these books. The pictures are just so, I mean, look at this. These pictures they don't make them nice like that anymore. So now they're all glossy and it's different. I like that. I've got lots of little stamps too. This is an envelope that opens like this, and I've got another card in here. I had a lot of playing cards with birds on them, so I've put just about everything I had in this book. And stamps also that have birds on them, birds that I cut out from magazines. And these are the original pages. I mean, look at that. I love this page. It's gorgeous to me. Just look at her expression, and it's so beautiful. And some pages have little borders like that. Here I made a little pocket with a bird, and there's a guest check here that I decorated to put in here. So there's bird stamps and little sewn borders with some little ribbons. Here is a little pocket like that. Look at this picture. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Here is something like a sewn pocket, and I've got here is an authentic 19. I don't know. I'd say that was it would be 1944, or it's hard to read, but it's an authentic one. I just put that here. You can always put it elsewhere if you want. Here is another little card in a pocket. I've got pockets and cards all over. Little cards. It's all about birds. So lots and lots of birds. Beautiful birds. And here I did it like this. The hummingbird song. Okay. And here, a little bird in a pocket too. This is an old envelope. 5-cent Canadian stamp, which I decorated. And inside there's another guest check that I have decorated. So that goes in here. And little tabs. Dictionary pages. Here's a very, very old music page. And here is, oh, this is a little booklet that I made, okay? And just a little extra booklet in this pocket, okay? And on the other side, I've got just a card here, also in the pocket with a little ribbon trim. Here's another pocket with a little card, a bird page here, which you can write on the back. And lots of cards and pictures and little frames. So these are just absolutely beautiful pages. Just beautiful. That's the story. Ends here. And then I just added here some extra pages with little birds and tags and found in another book, but I thought that was very appropriate. Little tags here, another old music sheet, and to complete, there's a little belly band here in the back where you can add an extra text. So this is the book, and it will be on my Etsy very soon, sometime today, and hope you like it. These are fun to do, and they're gorgeous. Thank you for watching.